reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I release. So friends, before we start this video, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is a video about July 2021 predictions. But before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have also launched another brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream solution brand. So that is a brand which offers multiple astro streams to arrive at a solution which suits you best. So do check out this channel, Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do check out my website, which will be releasing soon under the name astrovruksbyshefali.com, and do explore the services under this brand, because we offer very practical and very scientific and realistic approach towards your solution of your problem. So we offer integrated destiny management solutions, which says that we offer a multi-stream approach to arrive at a solution of your problem so that you get the best possible choices at hand. So let's now quickly jump to your sun sign based predictions for July 2021. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Librans, let's see what's in cards for you for July 2021. People who are born from 23rd of September to 21st of October are Librans. Let's see what's in cards for them. Friends, as you are aware, this is a general reading, so pick and choose the advice that suits you most, because there are multiple people who fall under Libran sun sign. Though you are connected with sun sign, there are people who go through different life cycles basis of their karmic journey. So I try to give all the possible messages that I get through the divine source, and you have to pick and choose the advice that suits you most to the current situation when you are experiencing or when you're going through the reading. So let's quickly jump to your reading. Walking away energy is the energy which is prevalent in your card, but it is in the reverse position in the coming month. So it is very strongly suggesting that maybe you were planning to walk away from something, but that is not possible in the coming months. So that is getting blocked, that is getting delayed. So you will be there where you are. You will have to stay there where you are, either physically in terms of residence, or in terms of a job situation, or in terms of emotional situation, or in terms of relationship. So let's see which is the area where you might have to stay where you are and you will not be able to walk away from the situation. So we'll go to your relationship. We have Knight of Swords in the upright position in your relationship segment. So this card is very strongly suggesting that maybe you are going through some like tough time, or like a mental crisis or mental battle within you, which is happening in the relationship. Now it could be within you, you yourself, or it could be with you and your partner, and you are all, either you or your partner are all set on the fighting zone. So you guys are all set and all prepared to just end up hurting each other. So this is very much prominently showing that you are all set to fight across a battle with each other. So it could be your marriage, it could be in your partnership or in your relationships, like with your siblings or parents or children. So basically you are all set in a fighting mode and all prepared to just take things ahead to, or fight to, or take the fight ahead to the next level. And if the advice here for you is think beyond the illusion. You seem to be too exhausted with this preparation or with this battle that you are doing with either yourself or with the people who matter to you in the relationship, that you are too exhausted at this point of time. So it is not right approach and right time to take this stand, friends. If the relationship really matters to you, you should give it some space, some time, and let things shape up. Let the time pass by. Sometimes it's just the planetary makeup is such that you are in that aggressive mode, and then you are not able to understand whether what decision to take, what action to take, and you are just on to hurt somebody or hurt yourself. So here the advice for you is think beyond illusion. So what you are seeing might not be the truth, or even if what you are seeing is the truth, you might not be understanding it rightly. So just give it space, just give that relationship some time, time, and in time you will know how to handle it. So rather than being aggressive, upfront, blunt, and trying to hurt your partner or your relationships or your relatives, if they really matter to you, give it some time and space. In time you will know what to do. So coming to your career, friends, we have Wheel of Fortune in the upright position. Now this card is suggesting that your career might be going to a next level. You are really seeing a very transitional shift in your career, and it's taking you to a very higher grounds. So just use this time to optimize your career growth. You will be getting multiple opportunities and multiple windows where you can prove yourself, and you can elevate your skills, or elevate your job position or your business position, and take it to a really higher grounds. So just be aware of your strength. So before you take any decision, before you embrace this transition to the better level, just try to spend time with yourself. Be aware of your strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats, and accordingly plan your career and optimize the time that is coming your way. Very good time coming by for Librans. Coming to your finances, friends, we can see 10 of cups in the reverse. So somewhere there is a blockage in a financial segment, especially the financial segment related to your family. So if you have inherited something, there is a possibility that the closures will be pending. If you are expecting something from a family property, there is a possibility of blockage. If you're planning some financial investments for your family in future, again there is some delay expected. You might have to travel a bit to explore or to research a bit more about the property or financial investment. So I would suggest here, take some time off and let things unfold on its own. Don't take any hasty decisions. It might be just a time phase that you're moving from one time to another. Coming to your health, we have High Priestess cards in the upright position. Now this card is a very strong card, and it suggests that you are intuitively awakening. You are intuitively aligning. So if you spend time in silence with yourself, your intuition will be heightened to a level you can't even imagine. So give your time to the spiritual self, and you will never realize the discovery that you make about yourself, the life purpose that you have to achieve. Focus on it. That's a message from your chakra advice card. Attain peace, and only in peace will you be able to uncover or unfold the life purpose and a higher purpose, and this is a time when you are aligned to it. So there is a divine feminine power which is supporting you, in guiding you in intuitive growth. So just embrace it with the optimum by giving optimum sincerity, and cancel, clear and delete any negative energy or any negativity or negative experience that is not needed. Whatever you need to groom yourself into a better individual and a better soul, pick it up and let other things just flush out of your system, and you will be able to actually align with your life purpose. So I really hope Librans, very good cards over here, just that you need to be real careful in terms of relationship management. Overall it looks really nice for you. Take care. So friends, I really hope this reading will help you to plan your life in future. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, LinkedIn account, as well as on my Facebook group Astro Vruksha by Shefali, which is a combined group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksha by Shefali brand. So we operate 3 YouTube channels: Astro Vruksha by Shefali, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, and Tarot Reader Shefali in English for the international audience. So friends, if you are looking for any personalized session, this is a general reading. So if you need any personalized session, you can connect with me on my mobile number, on my email ID, or you can message me on Instagram or Facebook for that matter. I'll reply back to you, or my assistant will reply back to you. So friends, do share these videos with your more and more friends and family, because people are in need of help right now, and these general readings can surely guide them, at least to an extent that they can ease out their stress. Don't forget to share your comments with me. Your feedback is always welcome. I really like to know, what do you think about videos? Are there any improvising areas? Are there any areas which you want me to specially focus on? So I really want to welcome new subscribers on board, and I thank all those subscribers who are already the part of the journey. Take care, guys. Very good luck to all of you.